Something genuinely flew into my eye. Okay.
What are you gonna drink?
I ordered the usual cappuccino. I was gonna have a flat white, but the waitress was here very quickly, so
We had to think fast.
put us on the spot. We're gonna look at some food. I'm not sure what we're gonna eat yet. I think we'll check out. I saw a lot of options here, but I mean, I need to decide very quickly, so we could probably get back to you guys once we've ordered.
Cafe mocha. It's just my favorite. Look at this. I always like to take some foam.
The foam queen.
Oh, that's good.
Actually,
looks like a hot chocolate,
doesn't it? Eh?
It does, but there's coffee in here. Definitely.
Okay, well, give me your rating. What does this place mocha taste like to you?
You know, it's perfect when the coffee is just the right strength. The chocolate is just the right sweetness. You don't have to add any sugar. It's just good. Ah, another classic 11 out of 10 from Tammy. Good.
Basically driving a Porsche this minute.
So we're trying out a restaurant. It's called The Sanctuary. Apparently it's attached to a hotel. Yeah, we need to come back here.
We are at the Sanctuary restaurant. Basically, it's raining the whole week. Everyone's a little bit down, you know, you need a bit of sunshine every now and then. So we thought, let's go do something fun on a Thursday afternoon to like get us out the house a little bit. You know, we've been working hard, so it's a special. So we have pastas. I did upscale to a full portion because I don't know about the half portion is going to fill me up. And then we are going to an old school movie theater called the Labia. Apparently it's quite cool. It's retro, but they play like new movies. We're gonna go watch a movie called The Fall Guy. I don't know if you guys can see it, but Tammy will probably have put the movie poster up by now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be watching The Fall Guy, and it starts at 2:30. So it's 1:20 now. We have about an hour to go. So we're gonna get our food and our coffee and drinks and just hang out. And then it's just around the corner. Then we're gonna go and watch our movie, and we will hopefully, if we can, record a little bit inside, then record a few of the clips before the movie starts.
Special that we're using is this pasta. So if we order 2 of these half portions of pasta, then we get free movie tickets to the theater we're about to go to. So I'm gonna try out this Mamma Mia linguine. Looks really good. It's got chicken, and it's gonna be creamy, so that's exactly what I like. Shandon is trying out the grilled chicken and avo. There, baby.
I can't remember. Chicken and
avo.
avo.
It's got grilled chicken and avo in it. Looks good. And I got the Mamma Mia pasta, which looks and smells amazing. I wish we could share smells over YouTube. Ooh, look at that juicy piece of chicken. Ooh, look at the steam coming off of that.
The heat coming off of that wrap.
What the hell?
Look at the wind on the pool and stuff. Like it's the shaking the doors and stuff. The wind in Cape Town is really bad, guys.
Wow, that's good. A little bit of spice to it, actually. I'm not normally one for spice, but I think it's a good amount. This was pretty spicy.
Why is it spicy?
I neglected to read where it said chili, and I only saw curry. I can handle curry, but not chili. So we ended up switching, and I ate some of this grilled chicken pasta. Of course, he took the avo out for me because I'm allergic to avo.
She's allergic to avo.
And then I was full, so we switched back, and he could eat the rest of his meal.
Because I actually got the full portion, and Tammy got the half portion.
And I got the half portion.
So I basically, what I essentially did is have her half, and then have my other half of this.
Yeah, so you still had a full portion.
Yeah.
And I still had a half portion.
And I'm pretty full. Are you full?
I'm full. Cheers, love.
Cheers, baby.
That was a good meal.
Done.
Right.
Thank you.
I've stamped it. That's your
Okay.
ticket to the movie house.
Okay. So
So they have stamped our slip, and then we take this slip to the theater, and then those are our movie tickets. This is Labia. It is the theater. It's so pretty. Look at this. There we go. Those are our movie tickets. They look so cool. It's us.
So Cape Town's really challenging me with stairs for the last 2 days, so there's just no elevators anymore.
Classic Shandon snack. Wine gums every time.
11 out of 10.
Dude, they're here. Who? The audience. Oh, shit. We thought a lot about you while we were making this film.
So it's the end of the movie and we found a squirrel.
Oh my gosh. Look at it.
It's so close.
A good movie. We got a few clips, but we don't want to put too many spoilers in.
Yeah, let's just say it was outside of the box thinking.
every single minute of that movie was just so well thought out. Like, you could actually appreciate the cinematography in there as well.
Small details, you guys should really watch it. The movie was really outside of the box. Like, I really appreciate good, like, it was unique. It was a different kind of style, you know, something that not many people get to actually see often these days, because a lot of the stuff is just copy and paste. So if you guys get a chance, highly recommend go watch it. They also do a feature inside the movie that was just top quality, so go check it out if you haven't seen Fall Guys already.
And now, time for some gelato.
We're gonna eat coffee, but it's sorry about the wind noise. We're gonna eat coffee. It's called Gelato Mania Gelateria, not a cafeteria.
Oh, it's so cool.
Damn, crazy.
I'm gonna try the salted butter caramel.
Cheers. I almost didn't see you. I thought there was a
That
cup of
was
the cone.
the- Ooh, that's good.
Very delicious, but that was top tier ice cream. Gelato Mania for anyone who's interested.
There is blue sky and a little bit of sunlight. Thank you so much for watching.
Please subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it.